In this video, I will teach you how you can verify your TikTok Business Center step by step without gatekeeping any information. There are some niches that you have to verify your TikTok ads account or your TikTok Business Center before you can run ads successfully on TikTok. Some of you, your ad account, your business center have been suspended because you are running ads and your business is in the sensitive niche. There are some categories of businesses that are quite sensitive, such as make money online niche. If you're also into the health niche, finance, and other related niches, then you will need to verify your business center or your ad account on TikTok before you can be able to run ads successfully. Otherwise, your ad account on TikTok might be suspended, it may be banned permanently or suspended permanently. To avoid that, the first thing is to verify your TikTok Business Center account so that you can run ads and reduce your TikTok ad account and business center ban rates. Without wasting time, let's dive in.
To verify your TikTok Business Center, log in your TikTok for Business account like this. Then click on your Business Center here. Click on it. It will load like this. You can just close this survey. At the left hand side here, scroll down and you will see verification right here. Click on verification. It will open up like this. Right here, you will see Start Verification button. Click on Start Verification. You can verify as a business or you verify as an individual. Now, I want to verify as a business. This is the country or region, Nigeria. Select the country or region. Then scroll down. This is the business name. This is the company website, though it's optional, so you can decide to input your own or you leave it if you don't have. Then go ahead and click on industry here. If none of the available industries here describe your own business, just click on not applicable. Then scroll down. You will see verification document. Go ahead, click on this upload button here. Select your business certificate, that is your CAC or your business license, whatever business certificate you have. Select it, then click on open here. After upload, scroll down. You will see the certificate number here. Input the certificate number right here. After inputting your business certificate number, click on this submit button down below. After submission, it will take you to this place. You can see they say business center status in review. So they say it will take between 2 business days for them to complete this verification. So after verifying this company information, the next thing we are going to verify for part 2 is legal representative information. So within 2 business days, TikTok will give you feedback. You can see that the verification status is successful. Now it's showing verified. So after verifying the company information, the next thing we are going to verify now is the legal representative information. To proceed, click on Continue Verification button. It will direct you here. Scroll down and click on this Edit Information button down below. Then scroll down to Legal Representative. Click under that legal representative to select the ID type. I'm selecting passport. There are other types here like driver's license, national ID card, but I'm using passport. Then click on this upload button here. Select the particular document and click on open. It will load like this. Then scroll down and input the ID number. Check on your passport or driver's license or whatever document you're using. If you see ID number, input your ID number here. After inputting your ID number, click on this submit button here to submit your document. After submission, it will take you here. You can see Business Center in review. And within 2 business days, they will verify your TikTok Business Center. I check back after 1 day, and right here you will see that the business center has been verified. This is the last one submitted, legal representative information, and is verified. Here is the verification status verified.
If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.